Welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skatepark check-ins across N.Y.C. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm Vincent Basile. Now you know, we are checking every skate park in N.Y.C. and we arrived at the Ben Soto skate park right here in Staten Island. We drove across the very narrow bridge from Bay Shore. Yo, we got some rippers here today. We got Gustavo, Big Dougie Avalero, I'm pretty sure.
AREVALO.
We have Dougie Avalaro and your man Tristan Maldonado. You guys know that cat. The terror himself is here. With that being said,
Did you see what episode it was?
no, I have no idea what episode it is, bro.
28.
Episode 28. Ant's done his research. Let's go into the park. We're in the park. I'm gonna show you this whole run of benches. One bench has a rail connected to it. Looks like a 2x2 square, and then perfect bench. Benches are like right out of a dream, right out of a video game. Boom, right down the row. Every other one, bust out your lines. Who's got 6 tricks? Well, you do every other bench, whatever. So sick. Thank you. Good? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine.
You didn't even see that. Wow. We just showed you the benches. There's 6 of them, 3 of each. If you guys know your fractions, you break it down. 6 benches, 3 of each. That's 3 and 6. You can even break that down. That's a half.
What percentage is that?
50%.
That was quick.
Enough with that nonsense. We're not in math class. We're in skate class. Slanted box. That's kind of like a curb, and the other side has coping on it. Built right into it. And there's another one right here. Same thing I just showed you. Crustier in this area. People, check this out. You don't usually see this in your everyday park. Slanted, starts low, it goes higher. It's got coping all around it. You could definitely get creative on this thing. Hit it from all angles. This thing is definitely rad. Check it out, there it is. mani pad, fun box. Probably just over 12 inches. Ledge. Which way are you gonna hit this thing? You know, you could grind it, but why grind this crusty thing when you could grind all this other stuff that's gonna move on you? The crusty S ledge at Ben Soto. What's different about this rail is it's wider. You don't usually see these wide rails. We're showing you 3 of them right now. This one looks to be about 1.5 feet high, right down the line, just like the benches we showed you are the exact same rails. This one looks higher than that one. This one looks to be about 2 feet high. And then over here, smaller one, looks like 1 foot high. They're all kinked the same way. Hey, you could ride on them depending on your speed. Ride on them or ollie on them. 3 rails right in a row. And the benches are still there. They didn't go anywhere. Kinked rail, bolted down to the ground. Coming in with the ground report, Tristan from the ground. Ground report.
It's smooth, you know. If you falling around here, you probably blind. It's good.
I mean, I felt.
I mean, he dropped some sunflower seeds, so if you watch out for those.
Hit that thing. Overall, the ground is good. There's like a few there's cracks here, but you know what? No complaints. It is smooth like butter.
Like peanut butter.
Yeah, there's crust, and actually we haven't even skated over there. Ground report's good.
All right, done.
This is a curb. It's like a parking lot stop, but they built it for skating, strictly for skating, because it's not concrete. There's another curb, hold it down. This is different. It looked like someone crashed into it. How did you manage to crash into this thing? Who did that? I want to know.
So I guess it's supposed to remind you of like the barrier, like the road barrier type thing.
Oh, like a guardrail, you know, like on highways. Guardrail in a skate park. The list never ends with this place. Bolted down rails. These are different. You don't usually see this kind of rail in a park. It's like that. You see my hands, guys? That's what it's like. It's like an oval. And there's another one higher. Look at this thing. It's super intimidating. It's all bent. Yo, in the crust we trust, that we actually don't trust. This feature right here. It's a convex ledge. And then more freaking obstacles. Guys, it never ends.
6 benches.
Benches.
Recycled
and they're
curb.
recycled curb?
Yep.
Unbelievable. Thank you for watching. If you're still watching. Ben Soto Skate Park, Staten Island. Thank you to that man.
We out here,
Dog.
son.
Shout out to Goose.
You.
Terror in the building. If you guys like what you see, please hit that like button. Please hit the subscribe button. If you like the content you see, you could follow us on Instagram at Rad Boardsport Co. You could also find us on Facebook. Our website is www.radboardsport.co. Check out all of our videos. Long Island parks, Queens, Brooklyn, Staten Island. the Bronx, Manhattan, we're coming for you, and all the other New York parks we're gonna be doing in the future. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to ride all day. Bow!
New York Street Talk, America's best. Yo, I'm not new to this, I'm true to this.
We're gonna skate this thing all day.